Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded, but I'm back. So today we're going to be making some orange chicken wings. So let's get right into the recipe. So here in a medium-sized bowl, I have my chicken, I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and 1 egg, and I'm going to stir everything together until the chicken is well coated in my seasonings. Also, make sure to get the seasonings onto both sides of your wings because you don't want one side of your wing not to be flavorful. So make sure to get both sides of your wings. When you're done, this is what the wings should look like, so put that to the side. In my bowl, I'm going to add flour, cornstarch, and do not skip the cornstarch because it will give a nice crispy coating. But you're going to add flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Make sure to mix your flour mixture, and then you're going to add your chicken into the flour. And you only need to coat the chicken once. When your chicken is coated, add it onto a cooling rack like this for 10 minutes. This will help your chicken's layer, the coating layer, to stick onto your chicken. While your chicken coating is setting, heat up some oil in a pot on medium-high heat. Once your oil is sizzling, add your chicken and fry until it's golden brown. Guys, this is what my chicken looks like. It's nice, crispy, and golden brown. So when your chicken is done cooking, remove it from the oil and let the excess oil drain on some paper towel. Now let's work on our sauce. In a medium-sized saucepan, I'm going to add my garlic paste and my ginger paste, and I'm going to cook it for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then I'm going to add my soy sauce, my honey, and my orange zest, and I'm going to mix everything together. Now that everything is in my pot, I'm going to let it simmer until the sauce is thick. So now, as you can see here, my sauce is nice and thick, so I'm going to turn off the heat and add my pieces of fried chicken into the sauce, and I'm going to fold my chicken into the sauce. After all your chicken is folded into the sauce, this is what it should look like. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. All the exact ingredients and written instructions will be down in my description box. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!